Hello, my name is Andrew Chan and I am a program manager on the Visual Studio Diagnostics team. In Visual Studio 2013, we have implemented our top 2 most customer requested features. First, I will show you the new Manage Return Values found in the Autos window. This is similar to how return values work in VB6 and C++. Next, I will show the 64-bit support for Edit and Continue in .NET. First, I'm going to show you Manage Return Values. Manage Return Values was a feature found in VB6 and is currently in C++ native. And what it does is, while you're debugging your program, this is a simple managed program. While you're debugging the program, as you step through the code, in the Autos window, it will show you the return values of the functions that are stepped over. So the function 5 returns 6, and the function 6 returns 7, and the subtraction function returns an object that can be expanded here to inspect the properties of those functions. And you can see that it does calculate a difference of -1, and you can also see the values of 6 and 7 that were passed in by the other 2 functions. To fix this, we're going to also use our new feature called Edit and Continue. We already have Edit and Continue in the program already for 32-bit applications, but this is a 64-bit application. And to do that, you just go down to the 5 function and fix it. Turn it to 5, and then to 6, turn it to 6. Then we just move the pointer back up here, and then as we step through the program a second time, you can see that the correct values are now being returned by 5 and 6, while the object still has the same value for difference, because 5 from 6 is -1, and the values of 5 and 6 that were passed in. We can also make local declarations, something like int c is equal to 88. This will be reflected as you are stepping through, and C will now show up as 88. This is great because you don't have to get out of your debugging session or you have to relaunch your debugging session, and it is good for making changes inline when you're actively diagnosing a problem. If you're knee-deep in the problem and there's some weird edge case, you can just edit the values here and fix the bug. So to recap, we covered our top 2 customer requested features. 64-bit Edit and Continue works in .NET the same way that 32-bit works in the product currently. Manage Return Values display return values of functions you step over, including the objects, and currently works for C# and VB. Both of these require .NET 4.5.1 to be enabled. For .NET developers, I hope these new features help make your lives easier. Thank you very much.